साधु दर्शनम पाप विमोचनम। नमः परमर्षिभ्यो बुधाय नमः। रोहिणी नक्षत्र देवताये प्रजापतये नमः। Dear friends, we are entering to the sixth darshana called Vedanta Darshana. Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi is the founder of this holistic darshana. It has become very popular and widely accepted by all the scientists of truth. There is no contradiction for Vedanta at any place, by anybody, at any time. Earlier, Jaimini Maharshi in Mimamsa Darshana, he divided Vedas in two parts. The first part is Mantra Samhita and the second part is Brahmana. In Mantra Samhita, Rigveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda is the division. In Brahmanas, whole Karma Kanta, whole ritualistic section was implemented. Now, this system is the base on which Vedanta Darshana is established. Without karma, there is no moksha as per Mimamsa Darshan. The soul has to get liberation through his karma. There is no soul which doesn't have moksha. So there is no importing of God in Jaimini's Mimamsa Darshan. Now, when we enter to Vedanta, the entire section has to be changed. Till yesterday, what we believed, the world is fully real, is to be doubted and has to be established as an unreal faculty comparing Brahman. Then, why has Vedanta got the acceptance in between all the scientists of truth? Three reasons. One, Vedanta Darshana is a Darshana which has a magnanimous attraction to his philosophy. Number two, Vedanta Darshana is free of all the sufferings. And Vedanta Darshana has its own faculty, its own magnanimity, which has its own ambience, so that everybody or anybody can easily enter into that. The customs and systems, the rules and regulations which we have seen in the earlier darshanas are not so much compulsory in Vedanta Darshana. And Vedanta Darshana considers as Jiva itself identified with Paramatma. So, this Darshana has all types of potentiality to make a Jiva reach the ultimate consciousness. Let us see in details in the next class. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.